Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2023 Ember 221 MDB. Really a nice, I love the Ember, and it's a really nice floor plan. If you have young children or grandkids, you're gonna wanna pay attention to this one. Love the aggressive Goodyear tread. You're able to go in the backcountry very comfortably. 3-burner cooktop, dormitory style and size refrigerator. You have a back door for the little ones. Bunk area. You can also, I don't want to move the boxes because it'll block the bathroom. I was inside. But we have D-rings in the floor so you can strap down your bicycles, kayak, whatever you happen to bring along. Let's slide back around to the campsite and head inside. So we have a Murphy bed. We also have a fold-down couch and bunk area. So plenty of cabinet space. Plenty of cabinet space. We also have the cabinets above. I really like these windows. You can open it up to let the hot air out or cool air in, whichever way you look at it. We also have screens from the top, privacy from the bottom. European style windows, so they're double pane insulated. Then you have the four, as you can see, the red handles, 4 handles to give you a secure closure. Nice deep stainless sink. As I mentioned, 2-burner cooktop, drawers, big cabinets above, microwave above. Here's your lighting, and then this is a dimmer. So these are dimmable LED lights, which is pretty clever. That's the first time I've noticed it. Not saying it's the first time they've had them, but that's the first time I've noticed it in an Ember. And then also, this is a unique front on the refrigerator. It's almost like a glass panel, it looks like. So that must be new for 23. So your refrigerator and your freezer. And as I mentioned, plenty of cabinet space. As you can see underneath the sink. And we have above microwave oven, as I mentioned. So then we have the bunkhouse. So we have windows on the top with screens, as well as privacy screens, windows on the bottom bunk. And this flips up. Well, it's caught on the door back there. Let me see if there we go. I think I can flip this up now. So that flips up for you. And then there's the D-rings that I was mentioning. I'm gonna leave this box out just because I wanna open up the bathroom door and make sure that I don't have any obstructions. Maybe that's bad to say, obstructions, when you're talking about a bathroom, but nonetheless. So I really like the lighting configuration in the Ember. And I like that backlighting on the mirror. Boy, at nighttime, I bet you that's just an elegant, elegant look. More windows, more European windows, privacy on the bottom. What's great about this, I know I've talked about it before, but if, let's say for instance, you stand outside and that's 8 feet off the ground, you don't have to cover all of this. If you want privacy, you can pull the screen down and just have some airflow while you take a shower. And nice wide shower, plus you have the skylight in there to give you additional headroom. Your drunken octopus as we step out. So we also have a couch area that folds down, and these are the tabletops. So I'm not able, well, I guess I could go in there and fish those tabletops out and then fold this up, but that's more work than I care to do. Remember, work is a 4-letter word. And then we have the Murphy bed here. So I hope I have given you a thorough description. Let me close that bathroom door. A thorough description of the 221 by Ember. And Ember just makes such a nice travel trailer. Thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up. HBO, help a brother out. Like. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question. What do you think of the Ember? Do you own an Ember? After a year of ownership, what are your thoughts on your Ember? Thanks again. Catch you on the next video.